We are back with another video, and you might be wondering what happened in the last video. And as I was recording, someone called and I don't know what happened. I kind of disconnected the video, but I finished that video in the comment section. You can check the remaining steps. With that being said, let's move on to theorem number 3 on how to prove that theorem. Without wasting any time, let's read. I hope you can see that. It says, in the diagram below, O is the center of the circle. Oh, why is O always the center of the circle? When we don't know, is it because circle is O, or yeah, I don't want to argue with anyone. Let's read forward. Arc AD subtends this arc AD, or this arc here. It subtends angles B and C. It subtends this angle here, B and C, B and C. Prove that B is equals to C. If you want me to go through the converse of this theorem, I'm just gonna read it out loud on the textbook. It says here, angles subtended at the circle by a chord of the circle on the same side of the chord are equal. What this means is that these two angles here, B and C, they are subtended by the same chord. You're talking about this chord here. Since they are subtended by the same chord, these angles here will be equal. And another term for this type of theorem, we call it angles in the same segment. Yeah, you are gonna use this theorem a lot. You're gonna use it a lot. Like, it comes almost all the time. It and the Turncott theorem. But let me not get way too ahead of myself. Let's prove this theorem. I'm gonna make a neat construction and unpause the video and explain what I did there. And here what I did is that I drew a symmetry line from A to O and from O to D. In my construction, I will say join AOD. This here, I joined AOD here. And someone might be asking, why do we have to write this construction all the time? Yep, construction is 1 mark, unfortunately, and your other 4 marks will come from you doing your proof. So out of those 5 marks, 1 mark is for construction. 4 marks will come here. So in our proof, we will say, but they don't normally ask to prove this theorem because it is very easy, and you will see why. In this theorem, we will say angle B here. Angle B is half angle O. Why is that? Because of the angle at center theorem. Angle at center theorem. Whew. And similarly, we can say angle C is equals to half angle O because of the angle at center theorem. Angle at center theorem. And since B is equals to half angle O and C is also equals to half angle O, therefore we can say angle B is equals to angle C. If you don't understand why I said this equals to half angle O, that means you haven't watched our previous video. You can watch it now to understand why we have arrived here. And that's how we conclude this video. And yeah, this is how we conclude this video. I didn't forget anything. I will see you in the next video.